Hey guys, and welcome to this live stream and welcome to my new 3-day creative challenge. So, for today's exercise, you will need a sketchbook or a piece of paper, and you will need a pencil, or if you have a couple of markers, any colors. You can also use Copic or any multiliners. It's just I'll be using Copic multiliner. So let me rotate my camera and let's begin. So please prepare your materials right now while I'm fixing my camera. I will fix it now so you can see it. So yes, today is the first day of our new 3-day creative challenge. A couple of weeks ago I did my interior drawing challenge, which was focused on textures in interior design drawing, and today I decided to start a new creative challenge. So I believe that it will help for your creativity to flow, to stay more calm and relaxed. So just open any page in your notebook or in your sketchbook. As you can see, I'm using a regular notebook. I really, by the way, love this little wording, little book of big ideas. Hi Anna, hi Anis, hi Alberto. Oh, it's so nice to see you all. So today is day 1 of our creative challenge. Let's call it like that, creative challenge. So each day I will give you a new exercise which will help you to feel more calm, more relaxed during this uncertain time. It will help your creativity to flow. So my exercise number 1 is I want you to make a little frame. So you can do it with your pencil, you can do it with any color, marker color you like. And this is what I've been doing for 4 weeks already. So I started this creative exercise for myself and I find that results are really great. So I feel more calm, more relaxed, more happy, and of course more creative. So what we want to do, we want to split in 3 parts our piece of paper, and this framing, it might look really simple, but it's really great, my dear creatives, because it instantly helps you to be focused on what you're doing. So this part, I usually do something like my morning pages. Let me know in the comments if you have read this wonderful Julia Cameron's book, Artist's Journey, and she talks about the importance of art journaling, of morning pages. So you just you just write whatever comes into your mind. For example, it can be like I'm now really frustrated with the situation with COVID virus. I'm worried about my family, friends, about my financial situation. So it can be really, really very personal, and you can write anything you want. And believe me, if you've never been art journaling, it's a really wonderful time to start, because it simply releases all these negative emotions, everything, all this crazy stuff that's happening right now. You can simply write it here on paper, and I swear you will instantly feel so much more calm, so much more relaxed. For example, you can write anything like, I feel lonely during these COVID times, I miss my family and friends. I really feel very identified. I hope it's okay now. So this part, it's for morning pages, okay? This part, I call it the idea part of our little frame. And here you can write any ideas or any positive things that happened to you maybe today or a couple of days ago. Like, for example, like I had really great breakfast today. Like, for example, I had wonderful talk with my friends and parents, and like the weather today is wonderful, and I had a chance to walk in the park. So here you can write either some gratitudes or some ideas that maybe came here during your morning pages. So you can put them like action steps or anything. Also, it can be like 3 or 5 positive things that, for example, I love about my friend, any particular friend, maybe partner. So you write down like 3 things about your partner or about like your friend, about yourself. Maybe like I'm a creative person, like I can inspire people, like I did a sketch yesterday. So this part, it's more like ideation, it's more action parts, while here you can write anything that comes into your mind, okay? And this, draw anything, any symbol. It can be even not symbol. For example, if you feel right now really emotional, really frustrated, it can be like something like this. So you just want to express like all these negative emotions that stuck in your body, okay? I tell you, you'll instantly feel again so much more relaxed, especially after writing your morning pages or your art journal. I do recommend to do it in the morning, or if you feel like you have some time after lunch break, or if you feel like you have more tendency to write something right before your bed. So find the perfect time for you. So for example, let me do like a maybe little simple sketch of a chair, because I've been thinking about a new lesson for one of my video courses. So some furniture is into my mind right now. So it can be anything. It can be an animal, a bird, anything you like. So for me, it's definitely now furniture, because I'm thinking about a new lesson on interior sketching. So for me, it's like furniture stuff. Maybe for you, it's like simple face or something. It can be anything, okay? Even some abstract drawing. So if you have a couple of markers, of course, you can play with them. You can play with colors, and colors are really so therapeutic, especially some bright colors. So you can see that this part is for drawing. Plus, you're not restricted with this frame. If you feel today, for example, hi Joe, hi Sonia, hi Senik, hi everybody. If you feel more like into morning pages mode, into art journaling mode, you can continue your writing here, for example. If you feel like ideas flow today into your mind, you can continue and write these ideas here. Okay, if you feel like you want to start not with morning pages, not with ideas, but with drawing, you can first fill in this graph, and of course you can put your drawing even somewhere here. Maybe it's like a little animal, like a tortoise, anything. Okay, so you are not restricted. You can totally feel so creative and do whatever you want here. Nobody will see this little piece of art and piece of writing that you do today. Okay, so my dear creatives, this was day 1 of my creative challenge. Tomorrow I will share with you a new amazing drawing creative exercise that will enhance, it will boost your creativity. So please stay tuned. I can't wait to see you tomorrow. And please share this live stream with any of your friends who maybe right now feel really stuck with all this COVID situation. And I do recommend you to practice it. because I know a lot of you feel really worried about like financial situation, about economical situation. So please try this exercise. As you can see, it takes maybe 10-15 minutes, but you'll feel release, you'll feel so much more happy, lighthearted and creative. Okay, so let me rotate my camera for a couple of minutes. Hi guys, so how is it? Let me know in the comments. I'm really excited to see your feedback because I've never done these kind of creative challenges on art journaling. I normally do challenges on interior design drawing. So let me know how is it. Hi Vidukati, hi D Design Interior, Lady D Scenic View. Gnasa. So for now, I will finish this live stream and I will save it. So it will be available for you for 24 hours. Kerstin Brown writes, thanks for sharing and inspiring. Thank you so much. So I hope you guys that it will help you. And I actually believe that it will help you because I've been practicing this exercise. I call it just like creative journaling. I've been practicing for 4 weeks. So in New Zealand, for example, in Auckland, where I am right now, we are officially on lockdown for 4 weeks. So today we switched to alert level 3. So we were on alert level 4. So for now things are getting better here. Now we can order food online and from the restaurants because previously it was impossible here, for example. So it's really positive shift that's happening. And I've been practicing this creative exercise for 4 weeks in a row. Every morning I spend minutes dedicated to it, and I truly felt instantly so much more relaxed, so much more creative. So I really just want to share with you this amazing information. So thank you, Anis. Thank you, Emma. Also, what was the name of the book, please? Oh, yes, the book was from Julia Cameron, The Artist's Way. It's really a very popular book. She wrote it, as far as I remember, maybe 15 or 20 years ago, but it's still so popular among artists. So it's Julia Cameron. Let me write it down. So I'll rotate my camera. So as far as I remember, it's Julia Cameron, The Artist's Way. So she has a couple of books, so I do recommend you to read this one. She talks there about the concept of morning pages. So this was the first graph for it. All right, my dear creatives, I can't wait to see you tomorrow, where we will be, I'll be sharing a new creative exercise for day 2. So see you there. Thank you, the Scenic View. Thank you, Abbe. Thank you, Anis. Thank you, Java. Thank you, all the guys, all the creatives who are joining me right now. Bye for now and see you soon.